the President of the Gymnastics Association of the Philippines, Miss Cynthia Carrion. We also acknowledge the coach of Alvin Castaneda, of course, for being integral as well to the journey of Carlos Lulo. And I want the two our media friends to have their cameras ready as we give out special tokens to our Olympic gold medalists. So it is with great pride and admiration that we present to you this replica of Venus Grand Canal's iconic gondola. A symbol of your first gondola ride, a token of appreciation for all that you accomplished, and a memento of your homecoming. From all of us at Mackenzie Hill, welcome home. Let's take a quick photo. All cameras are at the front. Quick photo up here, there are cameras on the front. We also have a special token for Coach Alvin and Miss Cynthia Carrion as a symbol of our unwavering support and material contribution to this historic triumph. We present you these one-of-a-kind textured art portraits with Kaloy. May these be a reminder of the and the highs and lows that led your team to the history books. Mackenzie Hill salutes you. A quick photo op as well, again, right in front. And as we step into this new chapter, may this township be a place of comfort, inspiration, and joy, as you've inspired all of us with your remarkable talent and dedication. Congratulations once again, Kaloy. Here's to a bright future ahead, both in your new home and beyond. Make some noise, everyone! We're very grateful to all of you here on our stage for your presence for today, and everybody here who joined us at the King Hill Dennis Grand Canal. Thank you so much, and we would love to officially welcome Carlos Lulo.
Akawin pa yan ng isa, di ba?
We can wait to see him around. Ladies and gentlemen, another round of applause for our champion! Heartfelt thanks to everybody here who gave Alvin so much for your energy. Thank you so much for staying here with us and for joining us in celebrating this special homecoming. To our special guests, please join us back at the gondolas and to the dock. And we would like to thank the following sponsors for making this event possible. Emperador, Fish & Co.,